Well, it's the 24th of September, and in a field called Aston Farground South, which was onions. The onions came off about the middle of July, so then we put mustard in as a cover crop. And as you can see, we're just direct drilling straight into the standing crop with the cross slot drill. It's probably about 3.5 feet of mustard there that's going through the drill fairly well. We did just spray it off with Roundup a couple of days ago, and we'll come in here and roll this. Probably won't be today, it's just still a little bit too damp. And that'll just firm it up quite nicely. So as you can see, that's going along quite well. It's moving a little bit too much soil potentially, but I think that's because the ground is fairly loose here, having had onions and then being subsoiled afterwards. I think in a normal scenario that ground would just be a little bit tighter and it would just hold the drill out a little bit more. So it's Crusoe winter wheat going in here, and yeah, it's doing a really good job.